To create a dictionary in Python, you are going to use the name of the dictionary equals curly brackets. This will create an empty dictionary. Now to add a value here, you are going to use a key and a value. That's how the dictionary works. You have keys and you have for each key a value. So now you are going to use those kind of brackets and then the key that you wanted and equals the value that you wanted. The key or the value could be any data type. I'm going to use another value here. Now to print, you will see that the dictionary will have the key and the values that you added. Now to delete a value from the dictionary, you are going to use either the pop function or you are going to use the del key combined with the key. Let's say I wanted to delete the car. After this, you are going to print again. Then you see that the car Honda with the value Honda is removed from your dictionary. Also, if I wanted to print the values for the dictionary, so I'm going to use the for loop for x in this text. Print x. Let's see what that would give us. You see here you will have only one value, color, because you deleted the car. Now let me comment out this part and let me print. You will see you will have car and color. If I wanted to print the values, you are going to use this text of x. Then you see car Honda, color red. If you want to use the for loop to print each item in your dictionary, remember each item means a key and the value. Then you are going to use for x and y in this text dot items. Print x, y. There you go. The terminal car Honda, color red. Thank you.